We have another incomplete quadratic equation on the board, and we are going to solve this equation by the method of factoring. Please notice that from these two terms we can factorize 3x. And inside of the parentheses we are going to have 2x minus 3 equals 0. In order to make the left side equal 0, in order to balance this equation, this factor or this one supposed to be equal 0, or both of them supposed to be 0. So what I'm going to write? I'm going to write 3x equals 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal 0. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides of this equation by 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out, and I have x equals 0 divided by 3 is equal 0. This is my first answer. In order to find value of x, I have to move this negative 3 to right side, and I have 2x equals 3. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have x equals 3 over 2. Let's verify if these answers are correct. Copy down the original equation, and we have 6x squared minus 9x is equal 0. Instead of x, I'm supposed to write 0. So I have 6 times 0 to the second power minus 9 times 0 is equal 0. 0 to any power is equal 0. 0 times 6 is 0, minus 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 is equal 0. So x equals 0 is one of the correct answers. Now let's take a look at this answer. Copy down again the original equation. We have 6x squared minus 9x is equal 0. 6 times 3 over 2 to the second power minus 9 times 3 over 2 equals 0. We have 6 times 9 over 4 minus 9 times 3 is 27 over 2 equals 0. 6 and 4, they are going to be reduced by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I have 3 times 9 divided by 2 minus 27 over 2 is equal 0. 3 times 9 is equal 27. We have common denominator. So 27 minus 27 is equal 0. Remember, we can subtract these two fractions because we have common denominator. So 0 is equal 0. Left side of my equation is equal to right side. So this answer is also correct. So I can say that these two values are the correct solutions to my problem.